Hello, welcome to an extra edition of Tech Tuesday, and this one's on a Wednesday, so I guess we could call it Web Wednesday. We looked at in the faculty meeting this morning on how to use Natural Reader to do text to speech for students that have the read aloud accommodation. This way, they can actually have things read aloud to them by the computer at their discretion and what they choose. But we kind of went over where we gave you a demonstration in the faculty meeting. I wanted to give you a web tutorial also, so that way you had two ways to look at it. First thing you're going to want to do is go to naturalreaders.com with an S. I know I made that mistake 3 times when I was trying to set up the demo this morning. It says Natural Reader here. For some reason, the web address is naturalreaders with an s.com. So all you need to do is go to that site. You can download it, but I would recommend just using the web app because you don't have to worry about saving anything or logging in or anything. You can just use this website, or probably more likely have your students just use this website so they can just have this browser open and then go from their test to this if you're in a computer lab or anything like that. So all you're going to do is cut and paste it into the window right here, and it's pretty much that easy. So I just have some stuff saved over here on a Google Doc. So let's say that these are your instructions that the student may want read. So simply cut and paste it, and then you can change the voice. Let's go with Ray. I don't know, maybe he's good. And then click play, and then you wait a short time, and you'll hear Ray.
Please read the instructions carefully. You are about to take a perfectly written summative assessment.
Okay, so he reads that aloud. Student can listen to it multiple times as well, which is kind of cool.
Please read the instructions carefully. You are about to take a perfectly written summative assessment.
Okay. One really nice feature that we did not mention this morning is that there are options to have other languages. If you do the drop down, you can see there's French, Italian, Arabic. You can actually have Charles can do it with a British accent, which is, I guess, if your kids want that.
Please read the instructions carefully. You are about to take a perfectly written summative assessment.
So there's that, but also if I go over here, I've got something written in German, which is a huge issue for us because we have few people that can do a read aloud accommodation and also speak German. So if I cut and paste a sentence in German in here and I choose, let's go with Reiner, you can listen to him.
Offensichtlich sind die Schlittenhunde die besten.
So you can put some German words in there if your student is a read-aloud accommodation in German. Likewise, if you have a student in Spanish class or an English language learner, you could put Spanish in there as well, which is pretty cool. Just make sure you do the drop-down and choose Spanish. Let's go with Rosa. You can hear her.
Obviamente los perros esquimales son los mejores.
So that's pretty simple. So you can just cut and paste and put it in there. Thanks for watching.